Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute, I feel like. I think I uploaded last Sunday, but I got used to uploading 3 times a week, so now I feel like it's so far apart, my upload schedule, but it's just so crazy during the week. I'm trying, you guys. Bear with me. I already did my base. What the heck? The creasing. I already did my base off of camera, and today we're going to be playing with some new that I got from Colourpop. Interestingly enough, I have not tried any Colourpop eyeshadows. I know that they're a big deal. I know that everybody talks about them and swears by them, and their pricing is so affordable. But I don't know, just one of those things where I've never like thought to order. But they posted about this palette right here the other day. This is the Stone Cold Fox palette, and these are cool tones. And if you know me, you know that I am a warm tone bitch, okay? I don't like cool tones, but something about this palette was just like, you need it in your life. You guys, let's move this. Look at that. Don't even try to tell me that that is not stunning. So I grabbed it. I'm wearing diamonds today, honey, because I'm fabulous. I am going to do a cool tone look today. I did grab a bunch of other things from Colourpop too. I got this big box of lippy pencils, which I have swatched a few of them, and I love the consistency, so I'm very excited to try them. I also grabbed their box of lippy sticks. I got all these beautiful colors to choose from, so I'm so excited. I also grabbed the Bare Necessities palette, and this one is the warm tone version of the palette that I'm going to be using today, and that is also stunning. I want to use the cool tone palette more because I feel like A, I haven't done a cool toned look yet, and B, it just, I don't know, there's something about it, you guys, speaking to me. I also grabbed this Dream Big collection of palettes, and these are literally like color coordinated palettes, if you will. Whoa, try to open this without dropping any of them. It's basically, it's got a red palette, an orange, a yellow, green, blue, and purple. So if you guys want to see me use any of these in any of my future videos, or even on an Instagram tutorial, maybe let me know, and I would be more than happy to film that for you guys. I just, for the sake of giving this palette its moment, I want to use this and only this. So I'm very excited. Jack, I want you to paint me as one of your French girls wearing this. Wearing only this. Let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. First things first, your girl is going to try to come up with a strategy. We're gonna go in with the shade Enigma, which is right here, and I'm gonna take that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna start blending that into my crease. The downside is that there is no mirror in this palette, which to me is so important. I need a mirror in whatever palette I'm using. Even though I have my vanity mirror in front of me, I need to have like a smaller mirror that I can carry and look into. So I'm just going to start fluffing that into my crease. And this is a lighter shade, and I just want to start building it into the crease to give ourselves a nice transition. So this is my first time trying Colourpop shadows. So far so good. I really like that shade a lot. Let's go in with the shade Ghost Town. That shade is right next to Enigma right here. And I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm just going to go over Enigma, but I'm just gonna focus it more on the outer part of the crease. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Just diffusing it. These blend really well together, actually. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. And I'm just gonna go in with a touch, just a touch of the shade Rumor Mill, which is like this nice, yummy blue gray. And let's see how this blends. I'm just gonna use that to darken. Pretty true to color. What you see in the pan is what you get on your eye. Love that. Love that. Wow, this palette might change my mind about cool tones. I'm gonna take a packing brush and I'm going to intensify that gray a little bit more. I'm going to deepen that outer corner even more. What do we think so far? All right, now I'm gonna go back in with the shade Ghost Town and I'm just going to diffuse. Okay, now I'm gonna take the fluffy brush with that first shade we went in with, which was Enigma, and just buff it all out. Stunting, stunting. Okay, now let's take, so I got some options here. We can do the shady, because I'm Slim Shady. Yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. Okay, let's see. We could do the Super Shock shadow in the shade Ritz. Let me show y'all what this looks like. It is so beautiful. These are really pretty. I feel like I slept on these. But before we go in with that, I want to go in with one of the shades from this palette. And I think I'm going to go in with the shade Caving In, which is this one right here. Right? Yeah. Yeah, let's do that first. And just start. Whoa. It's pretty sparkly. Nice color payoff. I did not spray my brush for this. I feel like if my brush were damp, it would be a lot more intense. But it's really pretty. It's really shimmery. Let's go in with this color because I can't wait no more. I'm just gonna use my finger for this. Okay. Hello. Oh. Well, you guys, when you touch these shadows, they legit feel like butter. That's important to note because, wow. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead. Wow. I feel like a dumbass for not trying their makeup before. Like, I really do. So pretty. I get right here, the shade Magnetic Moon. Whoa. Whoa. That is silver AF. I was not expecting that. Oh my God, I was not expecting that. Wow. Gorgeous. Wow. If I ever wanted something out of a silver, it would be to be as bright as this. And you guys, I didn't wet my brush. That is like, that is so pretty. Wow. I feel glorious, glorious, gotta. All right, now I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I am going to take the shade rumor mill, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Not in my waterline, right under my lash line. About halfway through, not all the way. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm gonna take the shade Ghost Town again, and I'm going to use it to buff out that lower lash line. Dreamful. It's like a white with like a little bit of a shimmer in it, and I'm just gonna take that and just pop it in the inner corner to really open up the eye. So I want to keep my eyes dark or light. I think I'm gonna go in with Berry Goth from NYX, and I'm just gonna run that in my waterline. I don't know, you guys, I'm kind of in it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing with my Mario liquid liner. All right, I'm gonna pop on some lips. So for the big box of lippy pencils, I think I want to do a nude. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is a little one. Let's see. Oh, I like that. Okay, now for the lippy stick, I'm gonna go in with the shade. It's a nude. It's like a brownie nude. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna use my Lily lashes in the style Mykonos for this look. This is the finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? I love it so much. I think it turned out so beautiful. I love the smokiness of the gray with the peachy nude lip combo. Honestly, it's a win, and I'm so excited to try the rest of the palettes that I got. If you guys want to see me try those out on camera, then let me know. I would be more than happy to film that. Please don't forget to check out all my other socials. I'll post pictures of this look on my Instagram. Follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. Hit that post notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what you guys want to see from me next. My upload schedule is every Sunday, and I try to get some content on my Instagram throughout the week. It's been kind of hectic for me right now, but I try my best, you guys. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will talk to you in my next one.